I'm beginning to believe that there actually is some progress being made in the ports, by the way. I know some people are pushing back to you saying there's really nothing going on, but I'm starting to hear that that's one part of the equation that we are beginning to do better on, obviously early, but there's some substantive changes being done out there.
Yeah, absolutely. The ports are getting better. Again, none of these things can be fixed overnight. You know that. Supply chains are global, they're complex. So we have to be working on every aspect of it. I will say we see clear improvements in the ports, not overnight, but the move to 24/7 was a help. You're now seeing some ports are charging a fee per container, containers left for too long. We're focused on the empty containers that are sitting and not being quickly enough recycled. Rest assured that we're doing everything in our power in the administration on every detail to push through this logjam and working hand in glove with industry. You know, fundamentally, the private sector has to solve this, and we're working in partnership with them. But you're absolutely right. We're seeing progress. We're seeing progress on a number of things. I mean, since I first came on your show, lumber prices are down significantly. I'm telling you today about a big deal getting rid of steel tariffs. Consumers will see that flow through in steel prices. We're seeing progress on ports. We just have to stick with it and stay at it.
Well, the last one is just to circle back to the chips. My people in the industry say it's 2 years, even if you got approved today. 2 years. It's too long. Is there anything we can do to go faster? Is there anything we can do to make it so that we're not as dependent on Taiwan? 75% of the U.S. auto workers, people connected with that industry, could lose their jobs. I'm not kidding. They could lose their jobs if they don't get this right. That's every state in the union.
Yeah. No, God, I thought I had a lot of pressure before coming into this interview, but now you're doubling down on the pressure. Look, we have to work with our allies. We have to work with our allies, South Korea, Japan. We have to work with them, Europe, making sure, you know, if we can't onshore, these can be friend-shored or near-shored. I do think, though, beyond that, look, it takes a year and a half to build a new fab, soup to nuts, but there are ways that we're looking into to boost production in certain areas, and we are very focused on that. None of which is a substitute for passing the CHIPS Act as fast as possible and letting us get to work to really boost supply here in America.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.